I want to do the extraordinary, guys. So stick around, guys. Let me just show you how trading is easy and the codes behind it, guys. The patterns, everything, yo. So stick around. First things first, let's start the analysis. I'm looking at NZD card. All right. How do we analyze? Let's just start from the top. How about this? I'll take you from the monthly. Let me see, 3 months, guys. You need to be keen. Huh? You need to be keen. You need to be keen. So let's see. I like to zoom out my patterns, yo. I like to zoom out my patterns. This is it. I want to see everything. 1, 2, 3. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Sounds crazy though. Now let's go to the 1 month. Right. So look at this. At the monthly now, things are already starting to make sense. Okay. So let's see if we can try to adjust our trend lines as usual. All right. Right now we don't know what we're looking for. We don't know what we want to do. All right. We're just analyzing the market. So how about this? This was an impulse. First things first, let me just tell you, this was an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Now somehow correction. Now maybe this is a flag for a continuation before we continue going up. I don't know. Let's see. All right. So if we do consider that as a flag, how about this? This is a flag then. This is a flag pattern or a bullish. Let's see. Probably it's going to make sense in the lower time frame, guys. All right. So let's see. Right here we had that was an correction right there. Then this was an impulse. Now probably this is a correction, and guess what? This is a continuation pattern. This is a bullish flag, continuation pattern for that correction phase to be done. All right, so that's the monthly. That's what the market was telling us since the decay. Let's hit the weekly, and yes sir, right now you see now things are already starting to make sense for us, guys. All right, so look at this. If we try now to adjust our lines or trend lines, this is it. We had that. Now guess what, guys? There was this zone right here that the market tried to bounce off, and whoa, you tell me if this is not an inverse head and shoulder right now on the weekly. Look at this. Let me take you with this tool right there. This is the left shoulder right there. Market gave us a head back to give us a neckline. Guess what? This is a damn right shoulder, and yes sir, our bias is valid. All right. So if that's the case, so let's continue. We go to the daily now, right? Go to the daily. So this is it. This is it. We already see that the market is still around this zone. So let's go to the 4 hour. We want to look for buy positions, of course. All right. So now at the 4 hour, guys, we have this that kind of move to the up. All right. So we have that. So right now we want to look for positions, guys. We want to take positions based on what the market is telling us. But generally we understand that the market wants to go up. Remember, we have that kind of bullish flag, guys. We have that bullish flag. So let's see at the 1 hour. Let me identify something. Let me see first. I need to see something. Currently the market has not given me a clear indication that it wants to break this resistance to continue moving up. Why do I say that? I've not seen any reversal pattern. Right. So this is an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. So this is kind of correction. So let's see what the market will do. All right. So let's hit the 1 hour. So at the 1 hour, oh come on. All right, we now start to adjust everything once again. Make sure everything makes sense though. So we had first touch, second touch, third. That's 1, 2, 3. So we had so many touches. So let's see what the market did. Market did this. Let's see. That's the drop. Right there. So we see that the market is already pushing up. Okay, did that. Already we've hit that resistance. Okay, the resistance that I was talking about. So here we go. Remember, we understand that this market has a potential to go all the way up. All right, this is it. So currently we expect, we had 1, 2, 3. So let's see how the market is trying to approach this resistance of ours. And if you see kind of bullish flag, then we should be expecting now that's the time for the market to break. All right, so let's see the lower time frame, and if that doesn't happen, then we change everything, yo. Let's see that. Let's see that. The market did that. Let's go. Some of you want to give me an inverse head and shoulder. I mean a head and shoulder. And yes, that happened, and we see kind of market broke down to go back to its downtrend thing, okay, right there. I know most people will have taken their sell entry position already, but then no, look at this. If this was a head and shoulder kind of thing, then this is it. I should have done this. Hide the left shoulder like this, guys. Just hide the left shoulder, and then guess what? Try to see if you can get trends inside this kind of movement, yo. Try to see if you can get something. So if we have that, let me see if this might make sense, yo. So we expect, of course, the market to go back up, right? Since this is a reversal structure that the market wants to go down, so I need this kind of a movement, the market to go up. Then that is when we take our sell position. All right, let's see. The market is doing its thing, yo, and yes, it's going up. Then I need that touch. Let's see. Okay. I need now reversal structure. That's it. The market has given us that touch. Now that is the third touch, you guys. I believe that's the third touch. Look at this. We had first touch, second touch, the third. So now we just have to make sure that the market breaks out of this low. I believe that's the last low. Let me see that at the 15, yo. It's crazy. It's crazy, yo. It's crazy. So what did the market do? Probably this is another double top, yo. If you can't see this, then you need to open your eyes if you can't see that. So let's wait for a break at the 1 hour now. At the 1 hour, okay. So we do this. Give me that break, baby. See that? So now probably this was news, and if this is news, guys, I believe the market will still drop. So everything will correct itself, right? That was news. The market has to correct itself, but then you see the market continues to go up. So our buys, let me tell you something, guys, our buys somehow will not be effective if the market breaks out of this high. All right, so if the market takes that high, then now our bias, that is for sales, sorry guys, the bias for sales then won't be valid, right? But still the market might be hitting this, then drops. Look at this, because I believe it wants to correct itself. And if that's the case, let's do this. And yes, that makes sense. We had the first, the second, the third touches. Okay, so let's see. Boom. Let's see. The market kind of wants to give me a head and shoulder. If this is not a head, this is not the left shoulder, then this is the right shoulder, then I don't know what my eyes are telling me, yo. So if we do this, then a break below that, then we should take our sell position. Market did that. Was that okay? Went back, then gave us a double top kind of thing. So one break. Let me see. I need a close, just a close below. Nope. You see that? Look at that. So that engulfing candlestick is the thing, yo. That's the thing. So if we make our stop loss above, guys, over here, then now we should target down. All right, should see what the market told us. So right now you see the market is bouncing off, because remember we had a support line. So currently, let me see how much pip is this. Already the market gave us around 91 pips. So let's see. Of course, guys, remember to always adjust your stop loss, that is trail your stop loss to secure in the bags, right? So see that, I don't know if we, of course was we hit? Probably we were taken in. Of course, you had to close your trades, yo. But I still believe that's the case. You know, remember, market is going back to give us this kind of touch, then now do this thing, yo. Okay, so if you understand this kind of market behavior, yo, you see that our take profit was smashed. Oh, was that missed, yo? Kinda, yo. This market doesn't want to take us in, yo. But I believe of course, if you are watching this, probably you must have taken your profit, so you don't need to wait for that, yo. So that's easy, that's the easiest way. So you see that now, if I try to extend my support line right there, you can now understand why the market is kind of bouncing off this region right there. All right, so that's a win. So let's call this a win. How many pips? This is 98 pips, yo. Win. Let's hit that to the color thing, yo. That's a win, and the win should be blue right there. Okay, sorry guys. Win should be blue, right? There's a win. 100 and how many pips? 100 and oh yeah, that's 98 pips. Sorry, 98 pips. 98 pips. 98 pips. Let's go. 98. That's okay. So let's reset everything and maybe try another pair. Today we just joking around, guys, but then I hope you guys are learning something. If you don't learn something, guys, make sure you rewind the video. Let me click on EuroJPY. I'm just clicking on any random thing, yo. I just saw EuroJPY. So this is it, guys. Remember to subscribe, guys. Remember to subscribe. Remember to smash that subscribe button, and stick around, guys. Smash that like button too. All right, let me just rewind there. So guys, and I repeat, guys, there is a certain channel, Telegram channel, that over 1,000 subscribers, yo, scamming people in my name, yo. So do not fall for that, yo. Do not fall for that. I don't do any investment package, yo. I don't invest. Remember, I don't trade crypto, guys, and gold thing, oil, yo. I don't do that. I only trade currency. So if somebody texts you, remember, I will also not text you first unless you send me a message, yo. And then my links are in the description, yo. My Telegram link. So do not fall for any scam. I've heard a lot of people talking about this, yo. I do not offer any investment package. Okay, so don't fall for that. I don't trade crypto. And if you see gold, yo, I don't do gold. I only trade currencies. I might analyze gold, but I don't trade gold. So watch out. Okay, I don't manage accounts, so be careful. Let's continue. EuroJPY. First things first, what's the market doing? Now this is 3 months. Let's see. We had an impulse right there, correction. Now we expect impulse. Thank you. Simple. That's the 3 months. So let's go to the monthly. Okay, if we have this as the monthly, then we need to see what the market was doing basically, and try to play around with the market, yo. Try to play around. You might see something that if you don't become keen, yo, the market will punish you. So you just have to play around and at least make sure that everything makes sense. So maybe I should not ignore this. All right, so look at that. So we had our first, second, third. All right, first, second, third. So let's see if the market gave us those touches, third touches. Then now let's see what the market is trying to do. But then that's the monthly. So let's go to the weekly now. This is it. 1 2 3, baby, give me that. Talk to me. So we had an impulse correction. This was an impulse correction, impulse there. For now, we just watch the market. We don't do anything. All right, you guys, I hope you people are keen. So one thing that I want to repeat, guys, we need to understand how the market is going to react around this one. Okay, I repeat, understand how the market is approaching a support or a resistance. With that, then now we should be good. We should know what we want to do. Okay, so right here, kinda the market gave us an impulse correction. Let's just continue understanding. This was another correction phase right there. That's a correction phase. Then the market somehow broke around that zone. Then now somehow gave us a head and shoulder, but then I believe that was just a continuation, probably another manipulation. Let's just see what the market is trying to do, baby. Okay, so you see that kind of pattern. So that's the EuroJPY and the daily. So if that was broken, probably we should be expecting this kind of behavior. We need the market to give us that pullback phase. Then now we hit that high. That means we need to make our buy position right there, then target that highest zone. Okay, that is now the daily way. So if we go to the 4 hours, probably we'll be seeing something different here. Okay, so this is it. I'll delete this. Okay, so at the 4 hour, this is what the market is trying to do. we need to take our trend lines, guys. Do not forget that. Let's try anything. If anything makes sense, then that's okay. Let's just try to do that, baby. 1 2 3. So we had that kinda 1 2 3, then broke. 1 2 3. I know somebody will say, oh, this guy has a lot of trend lines. Yo, let me just have them. They won't confuse me, but they really help me in my analysis, just understanding everything. All right, so you might be seeing a lot of sticks right here, but then I understand the reason why I have them. Okay, so this is it. We had impulse, the market gave us that kinda retest, then now went up, but then I still don't believe this is a good retest. Probably yes. Now if I try to extend my trend line like this, those people who are asking why your trend lines are so many, I'm still expecting a touch of that trend line, then I should be taking a buy position right there, go up. So market, talk to me, baby. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour. At the 1 hour, I'm seeing kind of another trend. 1 2 3. All right, so let's see. Give me that reversal to the down, yo. Come down, come to papi, come down, yo. There's something nice. Okay, continue doing his thing. The market continues to do his thing, yo. But then I won't fall for any of that. I won't take any buy position right here, yo. I want the best price ever. So if he's continue doing the same thing, there's no problem. Let it do what he wants to do. That's okay. That's okay. All right. The market went up. The market went up. Oh, you miss a lot of pips. Yo, there's no problem. All right. There's no problem. If I miss a lot of pips, there's no problem. But then we need to go back to the 4 hour. And you see, guys, if I don't see a pattern or a reversal, then I won't take a trade. So that is it. The market hit that. So how is the market approaching? This is right there, that zone. So let's see the 1 hour and the 15. Remember, we still have this kind of pattern or trend line. So what's the pattern currently that this market is giving me? If I don't see a pattern, then I'm not taking a position. Okay. Guess what? If we was somehow respecting this kind of a trend, this is it, baby. If we was expecting this kind of behavior, then guess what? We should be expecting the market to change its direction. If this is the last, I don't know if this should be the last low. So if the market breaks out of this last low, higher low that is, then now it's confirmed we're going down. And then guess what? We should be doing this. Wait, then market does this, then this is, I believe, the zone that we should be taking our sell position before we go down. So the reason why I'm talking about that, look at this. This is kind of left shoulder right there. This is the head. Now the market is giving it the right shoulder. Then we won't take our sell right here because the market will pull back, yo. All right, let's see. Break it. It broke. So a newbie, yo, it has broken. Let me enter. It has broken, yo. Okay. You went down. Okay, let's target here. Now that's the newbie thing. Okay, so let's see. Oh, wow. This newbie got away, right? Okay, did I get away? Oh, all right, so the newbie somehow got away, but I was expecting that pullback, which is okay. All right, let's see. Boom. So the newbie kinda hit take profit and I missed my entry. Okay, the professional ones missed their entry, but then there's no problem. Guess what? Let's see. The market is in around this zone, and yes, it's breaking. Let's see. That's an inverse. Yo, wait a minute. This is an inverse head and shoulder right here. So let's see. If we took our buy after the market broke, then probably the stop loss should be below. Yo, this is Euro JPY. Kind of have a big movement, and it's crazy, yo. It's crazy. Of course, stop loss should be there, but that is quite kind of big, yo. Let me see something. The pip value here is crazy. So if that's the case, then probably we should see if the market does this right here, because I expect this kind of behavior before the market goes up. So we should be taking another position right here if that's the case. Okay, then this should be, let's see the kind of behavior. Oh yeah, this was the break. No, this should have been the break. Yeah, so let's see this kind of behavior. Come on, give me that pullback. I need you back, yo. I don't need you to go up all the way. Don't go all the way up. I need to add more positions, yo. And yes, it went up and hit our TP. So I'll miss this second entry position because the market did not pull back. You know, it's crazy sometimes, yo. So if we had that, that's around 338, which is a win. All right, 338 pips. So the next second trade after 10 years is a win with the 338 pips. All right, crazy, guys. I prefer to wait for the market until I see everything. All right, so right here, this was kind of risky. All right, this was kind of risky because I still believe, oh, the market could have given me this break right here. The market could have given me a trend around this zone. So taking a trade entry, I mean an entry right here, proved risky because the market could have done this, respected this trend, go up, right? That's why I said, oh, newbies could have done that. So I've been doing that for a lot of time, yo, and then I've seen the repercussions. So I'll just avoid this, right? I need to be safe. Look at this. If I don't see a pattern, then I'm not taking trades, yo. So the next one is a win, Euro JPY, and those are 338 pips. I hope I've updated that. So 338 pips after century. So I'll remove everything, then maybe give you the last. I wanted to do many pairs, yo. Let me see. I've made a 21-minute video, so let me click on anything. Euro NZD, that's what I've clicked on. Okay, so I'll just hit this. Right, let me just start from the monthly. Bang bang bang. Or maybe you guys are thinking, oh, this guy already knows everything. Let me just click on random once again. Boom, my hands have been on NZD USD. You see, I was scrolling my mouse like this and then hands click on NZD USD. So let's just start. You have not done this before. I'll do this. I'll rewind that. Okay, so this is it. We need to understand this is 3 months, yo. This is 3 months. Understand the market. This is it. This is it. 1 2 3. Let's go. If this was one kind of 1 2 3, okay, there's it. Let's see 1 2 3. Okay, so if we had that, I understand, oh, we had an impulse correction, but then understand how the market is approaching a support or a resistance. So this is kind of continuation pattern to go down, yo. Crazy, right? Because if you look at it, guys, this is it. The market did this, then now it's trying to give us a bearish flag pattern. So we are still in a continuation phase, right? But that is it. So we need to do this, also identify this and this. So let's hit the monthly now. So when you go back to the monthly, we should start to see everything now making sense. Right there, we adjust everything. Okay, so at the weekly, we should start to understand everything now in clear, right? So this is it. We had an impulse. This is kind of correction impulse, but I don't know what the market is doing right here. Okay, that's the weekly. If we go back to the daily, then let's try to analyze now the current market price, right? The current market price kind of giving me a head and shoulder pattern, yo. Look at this, the left shoulder right there, the head, neckline, right shoulder. So boom, if that's the case, then guess what? We should see this, a break over structure. So this is the last higher low, right? So for a confirmation, guys, that we should be going down, really going down. Remember, the market wants to break this kind of trend, right? Now for a confirmation that this is a seller's market, yo, we need to make sure the market breaks out of here. I don't want to be in this manipulation, guys. The market might do this, oh, it has broken that trend line, so we should be going down. But then guess what? Do reverse from this. All right, the market might do this, then give you this kind of pattern, inverse head and shoulder, then go back. It's crazy. Those are the manipulation that I decided to avoid. And how am I avoiding that? Because I identify the last high low, the last low high. So any break that happens around this zone, guys, then now it is confirmed that now we are in a bearish market. All right, but currently we are in a bulls market despite all, until the market breaks. And if it doesn't break, we are still in a bulls market. Mark that. I hope you guys learn. So let's go back. If that's the case, let's go back. All right, so this is it. If we had that kind of behavior right there, we cut the hair like this, then we had this. We need to hide this. If you hide the left shoulder, then this thing should make sense that we are in a downtrend kind of in the lower time frame. So that is the case. And now we draw this. Right? So the reason why I told you should be clean, and clear, you should be keen on what I'm talking about, this zone right here. You should be keen about this zone. This is it. Kind of the market is giving me a bullish flag. Now look at this. This is a bullish flag. Then it might do this bounce off this zone to go up. That is it, yo. So this is kind of bullish flag. Though it's a downtrend, but it's a bullish flag. So let's see, yo. I tell you to be keen. You have to be keen, yo. So kind of the market was, this is an correction, of course, sorry. This is correction, and it somehow broke. And guess what? This is still a zone which should be considered sensitive. And if it breaks, we have another continuation pattern right there. So right there, all right. So taking a sell end right here should be somehow risky, because the market is almost hitting this last high, right? Should avoid though. Risky is kind of risky taking a sell position right there, okay? Because I like swings, yo. But this is what I'm seeing, that the market wants to continue down, yo. Still respecting that trend line, of course. Went back to retest the trend line. Okay. Were we being greedy? Doesn't want to take a scene, yo. Come on, we'll close our profit, nigga. It's crazy. This market is crazy. It doesn't want to hit or take profit, but then if you close your trades, the market will really move to your favor, yo. It's crazy. Look at this. Look at how stupid it is. Either way, that's a win. We need to record that. Is the USD we won 105. That was risky though. 105. 105 pips. So, yo, why don't I have a loss? I need a loss, yo. I need a loss, yo. Let me do the last one. Probably I might get a loss, yo. I might get a loss. Let me which one? Boom. Clicked on NZD card. The reason I'm talking about losses, guys, I want to show you something. I want to prove to you that, even if you take a loss, yo, it won't make sense. It won't make sense. So I usually risk 1%. So you might be saying, this guy has a bigger surplus, yo. I risk 1% despite all. If I see a structure and it's my strategy, yo, it play. I don't hesitate how many pips I'm risking, as long as I'm risking 1%. Okay, so let's start. NZD card. I need a loss. This is the last pair that I should be doing. So if we had this 1 2 3, kind of 1 2 3, okay, the market did that. Now kind of there was this zone right there. So that was the last higher low, higher low. So if it was broken, guess what? We are now in a damn downtrend. So this is the last low, 90% rule. So this is kind of a downtrend, and we expect the market to go back up. Yes, sir. Now if we have that in mind, let's see. Yes, it was broken. Yeah, that was broken. Kind of, yeah. So we expect the market to go up, continue going down. This the monthly. Let me go back to the daily now. and understand the current market price. Remember this, understand how the market is approaching a support or a resistance. Okay, so if this was kind of break, maybe false break, I don't know, let's see what the market is trying to do. Okay, let's go to the 4 hours and understand this area right there. Remember, we still have this trend, and of course market might be cheeky, because we need to go up. It's giving us kind of a reversal pattern. Okay, that's a double bottom. Okay, if we had that, because those are equal lows somehow. So let's go to the 1 hour. If you go to the 1 hour, kinda crazy. I don't want to call this inverse head and shoulder because it's not making sense. This is kind of continuation pattern to the down. So this is it. If I try to do this, I don't think we're going up. Alright, I don't think we're going up. Remember, most people have seen, this is a double bottom, so it should be going up. But then this pattern right here calls for my attention. There's no way I'm going up. I'm not taking a buys right now. I need change of structure. Let's see what the market did. It broke. Okay, let's see. Okay, then thank you. Now for those who are holding their position, you see what the market is trying to do. It's crazy, right? So let's see. Let's try to understand. This spike might be an head and shoulder. So if you was holding your positions trying to target this high, so you see how the market is crazy. So let me see if I had this 1 2 3. So see there 1 2 3. So you see, kind of the market was going back to finish its move. If I remember to draw this trend line, I could have catch this move to the down, but there's no problem. You see, this was a trap. Market did this thing, doing its thing, continue doing its thing. Okay, now you see there, we're still in a downtrend though. We should be catching moves. But the market is still doing its thing. I'm not seeing anything. If I see a reversal, I'm going in. Talk to me, Talk to me. I'm seeing. Give me that. Is that what I'm trying? Or is that what I'm seeing? Is that what is it, Let me see. How about give me this complete shit, Give me that. If only this market does this. If only this market pulls back here, I will take a buy right here. I know it sounds crazy. If I take a buy here, I know it sounds crazy, bro. But that is what I'm seeing. Let's see if this market comes there. Come down, So I missed that, It missed me with a pip, That's crazy. I told you though. Now that's a bullish flag to go up. Continue going up. Crazy, You see that? That's it. So that's how we take our entry, So even let's say of course, let me see how many pips are these. I missed that, how about if we did take that buy right there, how I saw it doing, you saw that. I don't know you guys, the reason why I'm saying that I needed the market to pull back is this. I know most of you are wondering, why were you waiting for the market to come here, then go up, and then it just happened. This is it, guys. Look at this. This was the left shoulder. This is a neckline. This was the hair right there. So the market was kind of at the top. So I was expecting this kind of push to give me that right shoulder thing. Then we go up. So it's easily done, That's how beautiful trading is. As long as you get the concept, as long as you get the ideas, you look for those patterns, everything should be great. So it is what it is, I believe you guys are learning. And see, guys, let me just stop that. This is kind of another trend though. But then if we took our profit, that is if we took a buy right there, so we took another profit, 184. All right, so that was, let's just take that as a profit, because that was now a forward testing, yo. We saw that this might happen, the market might pull back, then go up, yo. We just missed that with some pips, but then it happened, yo, right? So those are great, man. I thought I was to have a loss. Nigga. I did not lose. Man, I'm tired. I hope I bless you. So how much pips are these, yo? How much? Let's do the maths. Just a minute. Let's do the maths. So if we had 98 plus 338 plus 15 plus 184, yo, those are 725 pips. 725 pips. So that's the total, all right? No, that's the total. So if that's the total, yo, see, we had 5 trades which are good, right? So these are wins, 5 wins. And remember, I was risking like 70 pips, 50 pips. So you tell me, if I lost one, let's say just I lost one right there, I have 725 pips right there, and I lost only 100 pips, 50 pips. So will they make sense? Smash that subscribe button, guys, and remember, not be scammed, guys, with that guy from Telegram thing, yo. You see how we do it? You see how I do it, baby. The guy does not trade. He only gives out false claims. So no, do not fall for that, yo, man. Check my Telegram channel, man, in the link description below, man. And adios, mi amigos.